Yo, welcome back to my YouTube channel. My name is Tutu FOREX. Yeah, it's been a while, and my previous video that I posted for boom and crash strategy. Majority of the comments I get from that video was the settings for the strategy I posted. If you check all the comments is everyone is requesting for the indicators, and I forgot to share the indicators with you in that video. So I'll be reviewing the strategies to you guys right now. The strategy is still very working. It's working fine, and it's working fine. And at the end of this video, I will share the indicators with you. Just watch this video to the end. You get it. This strategy is simple. I would say it's the simplest, and this is the easiest way to trade boom and crash. You don't need any other thing again. This is the simplest way to trade boom and crash. This strategy have been working like 100. Okay, let me not just say 100%, but you in forex markets, trading forex, you definitely come at you definitely have a losses. So this strategy is, you are going to win 95% of your trades if you just follow the simple rules. I've posted this video before, but I'll just review the strategy again for those that have not seen this video. But at the end of this video, I will share the simple indicators with you. You can see my chart is just clean. I just have these indicators down here. The strategies that I use, you can check all my videos. They are very simple and direct. I don't use indicators. I just crowd your chart, and at the end of the day, you won't get good results. Stick to this strategy. Practice it on your demo account. Practice for some time before trading on your live account. You will see how how powerful this strategy works. So without wasting much of your time, if you haven't subscribed to my YouTube channel, please kindly subscribe, turn on the notification bell if you haven't, so that you will receive a notification whenever I drop a new video. So I'll be explaining right now how to trade this simple strategy for boom and crash. So it's for spikes only. This strategy is for only spikes. Okay, very good. So you can see right here. Okay, let me look for the arrow sign. Good. You can see right here, you have three indicators: the black, the red, and the blue indicators. These are moving averages. These are moving averages on the stochastic oscillator window. You get it? So like I said, at the end of this video, I will be sharing the settings with every one of you. This strategy still works, and just stick to what I'm teaching. You definitely achieve good results. First thing first, you identify the trend of the market. The trend of the market is very important trading forex. Identifying the trend of the market is an important thing you need to know. You should identify if the trend of the market is going up or is going down. That is the first thing you need to check whenever you open your chart. So after you have identified the trend of the market, if the market is in a downtrend for boom, are you getting it? That means the market is selling. But if the market is in an uptrend, that means the market is buying. So we are interested in buying for boom, because we're interested in catching the spikes. Are you getting it? So we're interested in what? In buying, in catching the spikes. Yeah. So let me quickly explain how this strategy works. This strategy works very, very simple way. First, you need to check this, your black moving average. Okay, sorry. All indicators need to gather at this end point here, point 0.00 at this endpoint here. You need to gather. After gathering, what is the next thing you want to see? You want to see that one spike have have come. After that one spike, you check this black indicator, this black line is facing to the upside. Then you wait patiently. You wait patiently for what? You wait patiently for the red and the blue line to cross under this black line facing the same direction, that is to the upside. Then you take a buy. Just you take a buy, enter, and wait patiently for spikes to come. Imagine you took a buy when this red and blue line crossed this black line facing the same direction, which is to the upside. Just look at the massive spikes. And these spikes, you can see, imagine you are in this trade, you wait for after 5 to 6 candle, no spike, you leave the market. How will you know that spike has, that you should leave the market? Your exit point. How should you know your exit point? Your exit point is when you see prices approaching, to the upside, just approaching. You see these indicators, they are approaching to this upside. You just leave the market because you must have, make some good profits while you entered that trade. Let me look for another example. This strategy is very simple. Are you getting it? This strategy is very simple. It's the simplest strategy so far ever since I have been trading boom and crash. I said, just follow the simple rules, stick to the plan, and you'll see how good this strategy is. I'll be expecting you to send me messages telling me, okay, how good, how far you have gone testing the strategy. Okay, let's look at this. Let's look at this example here. Like I said, you want to see the indicators that are gathered at this point. You wait for a spike to come. This black line pointing to the upside in line with this spike, and you wait for the red and the blue line to just cross the black line, and you wait for spikes. Just look at spikes. You wait. This one is not just once. This spike might be twice or 3 times. I don't know, but you can see how massive the spike is. That is how powerful this strategy is. Just follow the simple rules. You wait for all the indicators to converge to gather at this point. Wait for the black line pointing to the upside. You wait for the red and the blue line to cross that black line, also facing the same direction. You enter the market. This is boom 1000. Just the secret of this strategy is keep repeating the same thing. Yeah. You might enter a trade. Okay, I don't know. Yeah, you might enter a trade. Okay, look at this here. Look at this one here. The black line. But you can see how massive this black line was. You can see this black line. Just this one spike, it has already gotten to this level. Sorry. Just this one spike, just look at the level this black line has gotten to. So there's no point entering this market again. Just look at this. There's no point entering this type of market. Just because I said you wait for the black line to cross. No, just look at the level this indicator has gotten to for just this one spike. So no, when you just see this is not a good trade to enter. So what we want, what we are checking for, just a spike, then a slight bend to the upside. Wait for the blue and red line to cross each other, crossing the black line as well. Then you take a buy. This is sweet. Sweet example. Forget this example I'm doing, even in a live market. That's why I say test this strategy. If this strategy doesn't work, you take, let me say you take 50 trades and this strategy doesn't work, just message me. This strategy doesn't work. You test it for like 50 trades on your demo account and you find out that this strategy is not working. Send me a test. No. Just look at how beautiful this is. Price gathered at this point. After one spike here, price, this indicator pointed to the upside, and you wait for the red and blue to cross that black line pointing the same direction. You take it buy. So let me show you another example on bull 500. Boom 1000 and bull 500, they are the same thing. You understand? They are the same. They work the same way. Yeah. The same example, the same thing. You see it, you wait for a spike up here. You wait for a spike here. Then you wait for the red and blue line to cross the black line. You take a buy. Yes, that is it. There's no way you won't come out in profit. There's no way you won't come out in profit. Wait for the black line to point to the upside. Wait for the red and blue line to cross the black line, pointing that same direction. Then you take a buy. So let's go for crash. This is crash 1000. Crash is the opposite of boom. So okay, for crash we are selling, we are catching spikes, we are selling. Okay, so it's the same thing. You wait for the black line facing down, wait for the red and blue line to cross the black line facing down, then you just enter the market, sell. You can see massive spikes. This strategy, one thing about this strategy, just make me lazy. Like, I don't just do anything much. I just wait to see my confirmations. Just enter and just be waiting for spikes. But there's nothing. Just wait for spikes and you see how you be catching spikes like a professional. You can see all the moving averages gathered here. Black line pointing to the downside. You can see spikes came. Then you wait for the red and blue line to cross break the black line, cross the black line from the upside, pointing down. You wait for spikes to come. It will come. It will come. It will come. Just look at it. Black line, red and blue line crossing each other, facing that same direction. Spikes will come. Yeah. Spikes will come. See, the secret of this strategy is to just keep repeating the same thing. Out of 50 trade, you might lose 10 or 20. The 30, you 30, you come out in good profit from the remaining 30 trades. Just keep repeating the same process. There is no other way. Just keep repeating this same thing. Yeah, okay. I might say, okay, price, okay, the black line cross breaks facing to the downside, the red and blue line cross that black line facing to the downside, and I enter the trade. But at the end of the day, the trade didn't come. That doesn't mean this strategy is not working. When you see another confirmation again, enter. Just keep repeating the same process. What is killing us as a trader is, okay, I just open my account, this strategy that I've just taught, let me try it. I just tried my first trade and see it didn't come. Say, the strategy is not working. It doesn't work like that. Take like 20 trades and check. If the strategy is not working for you, okay, I have a lot of videos. You can go through them and choose any strategy you like to trade with. But this is the latest strategy that I'm using now, and I'm cashing out with it. I'm cashing out with it. This is crash 500. Don't long talk. You can see, you can just, the explanation is simple. The explanation is just simple. You just wait the black line, wait for the red line and the blue line to cross each other to the downside. Then you just enter for a sell. Sell. You take sell. Just look at this arrangement. Just look at it. Wait for the black line, wait for the red and the blue line to cross that black line, face it to the downside. You just look at the spikes. Back. Look at it. So this strategy is the simplest strategy so far on the internet, on this YouTube. This is the simplest strategy for boom and crash. So hold on to this, practice it, and you'll see how profitable you will come out. So if you have tested this strategy and it's not profitable for you, you message me. You just check my description below. Just check my description. You see my WhatsApp number, my Telegram channel, and also other platform that I have. So test this strategy, practice with this strategy. Don't move to another one. Use this strategy. I know right now on your chart you have indicators on your chart right now and you are using it to trade. You are losing, but you've just seen this strategy now, but you are thinking of how you will clear that chart again and put this chart in your phone again so that you start again. See, if that strategy is working for you, you just don't bother yourself, you working with this. Anything that is working for you, stick to it. This is working for me and I'm teaching you guys this. Like I said at the end of this video, I will share with you the indicators. So I'll be giving you guys the indicators. The first one is the stochastic oscillator. Just check for the settings and you'll see the settings. Period 5, 3, slowing 3, price feed, high, low, high, method simple. Then these are my levels: 100, 50, minus 100. Then colors, white, both white. Just take a screenshot of this and set your chart like that. On the same window, on the same indicator window, you put your moving average, period 25, shift 0, method simple, apply to close. Then the color I chose was blue. You can choose any other color that you want. And after that, you click done. And the next indicator to put on this window is moving average again, period 15, shift 0, simple, the method simple, apply to close. I choose let me choose red. Yeah, it was red, but that was dark red. And you click save, done. Get it? And the last indicator is moving average, period 5, shift 0, method simple, apply to close, then style black. So yeah, my color was black. And you save and click done. Very simple. These are the simple indicators that you need to install on your chart. For those asking for a zoom level, the zoom level is just this is the last level right now. The zoom level that I use from this last level is 1. The first level, the last level is 1, 2, 3. So I use the third level. That's what I use. Thanks for watching to this video, to this tutorial on this strategy. Stick with me for more videos. Thank you.